Okay, here we have the small battery tools. The accumulator is on the ground. Mm-hmm. Yeah, easy to handle. Mm-hmm. And here you see the lights. Mm-hmm. And now it's ready for operating. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Also, if you want to start it one time, mm-hmm. then you see the lights are on and now it's ready to work. Mm-hmm. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Directly not. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you have to wait and now you can work. Yeah? In this small bodies we have a cutting tool, only for cutting. You can move the head. Yeah? Mm-hmm. And then you can cut the cable. Mm-hmm. When it is finished, it opens. If you want to open it between, here you can go back. Yeah? Crimping tools, we have 3. The very small one. Here is the head, very small. We can go up to a cross section about 120 square millimeters. Or a little bit bigger, up to 240 square millimeters. Yeah? Both heads are movable. Yeah? You open it and you can change the die sets. Here we have this kind of die set. One of the die sets comes only here. Ready? And one on the other side. You close it and then you can work. It's the same. After crimping, it opens. Or you can regulate it here on the opposite other side. Yeah? Mm-hmm. And here you can open it also. Yeah? The third one is nearly the same, but here we are working with the other form of die sets, mm-hmm. These round ones. Mm-hmm. Yeah? Mm-hmm. And to change it, you push here and then you can, because this is the saver for the die set. Mm-hmm. Yeah? Okay. Both is the same. Yeah. And now you can remove it. Okay. Then you close it and it's the same. Oh. Ah. Battery check. Oh. Battery is there. Okay, I don't know what happened. Maybe. The same, yeah? Yeah. Same procedure, yeah? Yeah? These are the small ones. Mm-hmm. They are very good for small rooms. Mm-hmm. If you have not so much space, mm-hmm. Yeah, then you can work easily. And also you can work or you can operate it with one hand. Mm-hmm. So with the other hand you can hold the cable lug and the cable, yeah? If you are working with a pump, you need 2 hands for the operating. Mm-hmm. Yeah? So it fails the third hand to for position the cable lug. Mm-hmm. Yeah? And to open it, yeah? the bigger ones with this form of body. We have also crimping tools and also tools where we can change the heads. This is only a crimping tool. The head is movable. Yeah. Same procedure here to open. It's the same head. Yeah. It's the same procedure. To change the die set is the same. Yeah. And yes, also. And it opens. Yeah? Or you can open it here. One possibility. Here it's more heavier. Both crimping machines are working up to 300 square millimeter. But here we have more power. To change the die set is the same procedure. You have to push here the button and then you can change the die set. But here the difference is here we are working with 5 millimeters, and here we can work with 14 millimeters. Yeah. So here we need more power. Yeah.
Yes, because the width is more wider.
The width is more. Yeah.
For low voltage. Yes. Would you be able to make for?
This is the difference.
Not really.
And for easier to handle, you let move.
Any company here? You know, today I walked by and I saw one company and I passed by to meet somebody and I forgot where it is. And now I was sitting and I thought, wow, I found it.
To change the batteries is also easy.
You will have copper cable.
Yeah.
Das System,
And then you will see the lights. And now it's ready. And these tools we can change the heads. The system is in both tools the same. I will show it here. It's easier to handle for me. We have two bolts. Two bolts where we can change the head. You can't lose the bolts. Yeah? And so we have the holder for a die set, comes in. And we have the crimping head. Now you fix it on one side. Yeah? Then you put in the die set, one, and the other one. Then you close the head. Here is it movable. Yeah, so you must to check out when comes the bolt in. What moment? For me it's easier. Yeah? It's very easy. Yeah? And then you fix the die set, and now we have a crimping machine. Yeah? Or you remove it, the holder for the die. Then you bring in the cutting head. Here you have to check out when the bolt is exactly to the hole, then it goes in very easily. Yeah? And then the same, you can use it as a cutting machine. Yeah?
Yes. Cutting and crimping.
Cutting and
Only
crimping.
to change the head.
To change the head. With changing the head.
Changing the head.
So you save a lot of money because, for example, you have only to buy the other head. Yeah? So it is not so expensive as you are buying a second tool. Yeah? And also when you are going outside for working, you have to carry only one machine and not two machines. So,
Yes. And
Yeah.
you have the article number in this too?
this is yeah. And here's the same system. Also, we are working with these bolts. Yeah, we have different heads. It's the same.
But this cannot change to this die?
No, we have yeah, doch, we can. We have here you can change about this form of dies,
Another form of die.
like here.
Ah, okay, round
Yeah, it's the
shape.
same. This is the same.
Yes, round shape.
You can change. You can choose here this head, or you can choose the head with this form of dies.
Ah,
Yeah,
yes.
it's the same. Yeah. And you can choose about 2 cutting heads. The big one. Sorry, I can't hold all the heads. Or this kind of cutting head. You can choose. I can try it. Yeah. So if you come around, you can see here we can choose 4 types of heads. And here we have cutting and crimping heads.
So these two is interchangeable.
Yeah. And here, under this rubber, is a connection for the USB cable. But I can't remove it with my fingers. I need a tool.
Okay.
I show you now.